Albuquerque has such a rich, diverse artistic community that is always doing things that I've never seen anywhere else in the world. It touches communities in different ways, and therefore it feels like everyone has their own art community that they can engage with, experience. Hi, I'm Gerome Olona. I'm an actor, I'm a writer, and I'm a sustainable food gardener. Sustainable food gardener is someone who is not only passionate about growing their own food, but also how that growing their own food affects the entire environment. So hopefully not using too much water, growing things that are natural and local to here. Well, this helps everyone. One, it helps the bees, because if you're having all those flowers outside, then the bees are really happy. And two, it helps because you're not shopping as much at the grocery store. So it helps your budget, and it helps the entire landscape because you're not taking that food. So we have some tangerine sage, which if you rub it, smells like oranges. And the bees, as you can see, really love it. Bees and wasps, what they do is they're initially attracted to all these beautiful flowers. And then once they get closer to the tomatoes where there's like some water, they'll go from flower to flower pollinating because it has both male and female flowers in it. So right here we have a bee bath. And what these are just big old marbles. Just online, got a bunch of them for $2. This fills up with more water from the soaker hoses so that the bees have somewhere to stand, but they don't drown in the water, so they can drink happily and go on their way. I'm writing a play right now, which is all about, the different kind of relationships to food and each other that we can grow in this post-pandemic time. I decided to do this back in 2020 with Caroline Toby Graham. We had first started developing this idea of what if we can match performance and food justice to, maybe have some performances out in food deserts throughout the city and really teach people how to grow their own food in case, supply chains ever go down. The play is going to be a rom-com, and it's going to be an immersive theater experience. Everyone who comes to the play is going to be able to take home their own filled fabric grow bag full of seeds, different plant starters that they'll be able to take home and grow their own food, maybe in an apartment window, in a back patio, anywhere that gets sun. I was not looking for funding, to be 100% honest. I had kind of given up on the idea, thinking that it was too big, too broad, no one would be interested. But since the city had this wonderful grant opportunity and I've been able to talk to a lot more people about it, it seems like we can really have some legs under this and take it as far as it wants. This grant has been super helpful for this project, not only in having the accessibility, saying, hey, I have a grant from the city of Albuquerque, would you like to be a partner? But also through, buying a keyboard so I can type up this play instead of trying to just nitpick on an iPad. We have some okra seeds. So these seeds are from the City of Albuquerque library system. Tip number 1 is always grow first the things that you enjoy to eat. First, we have this compost from Soilutions, local compost manufacturer. And then we have some mycorrhizal fungi. This is going to help any roots that develop. Tip number 2, mycorrhizal fungi. You can actually get that in granule form for very cheap. It really helps your entire soil. Put your hands into it and mix it all up.
All right, let's get dirty.
Let's get it. Now we're going to carefully pour into our fabric grow bags. Okay. Tip number 3, have some kind of water catchment system. If you're putting a water catchment underneath your fabric grow pot, it makes sure that the soil is watering up from the bottom, which really encourages the roots to be healthier and stronger instead of always watering from the top. And it saves water. And you want to make sure it's about 3/4 of the way full.
Okay.
All right, and now if you just poke 3 holes, put 1 each per hole. I've been a licensed practical nurse throughout the state of New Mexico in a bunch of different facilities for the past 12 years. I've really got passionate about this idea throughout the COVID-19 pandemic. I volunteered out in Gallup for a little bit, and it was really stark to see how some of these patients, they had their most nutritional support while inpatient at a facility, not because they didn't have a good home situation, but because, you know, just the different structures of how far their house was away from a grocery store, for example. And I'm just really passionate about making sure the entire person is taken care of. Just getting your hands into the dirt, having that sense of smell that connects you to the things that you're eating has such a wonderful impact on your mental health. It really uplifts your spirits to go out into the garden or into your fabric grow pot and pick something out that you'll use yourself. I mean, we have so many delivery options nowadays, but really the healthiest still is for us to be making our own food. It means the entire world to me to have a city that supports its local artists. Go support your local artists, no matter what that is. You'll be able to find them at any street corner.